Ken Bruce is leaving BBC Radio sooner than expected as the broadcaster revealed his last day is next week. He shared the news on Twitter today. Vernon Kay will replace presenter Ken Bruce on his weekday mid-morning slot on Radio 2, the BBC has confirmed. Ken announced on air in January that he would be leaving the station after 31 years in the role. Taking to Twitter today, he penned, "I will be presenting my last show on Radio 2 next Friday. I had intended fulfilling my contract until the end of March, but the BBC has decided it wants me to leave earlier. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Express. Co.uk has contacted BBC representatives for comment. Fans have flocked to comment on the post as many shared their disappointment. Twitter user, Mel G commented, "Got it. It's a massive loss for the BBC." Kate wrote, "Oh well, looks like he'll be leaving Radio 2 next Friday also then." Pauline tweeted, "Oh Ken, you got me through lockdown working from my kitchen table. Your calm, reassuring voice kept us all sane. Good luck for the future, legend." Trevor penned, "A great loss to the BBC. You're leaving, Ken. You're one of the greatest. Sadly typical of the BBC management that they want you to leave early. When will they learn?"